The storms are expected to be so bad, Guilford County just canceled school for tomorrow about 20 minutes ago. They say the winds will be too strong for school buses to drive safely on the road. We're talking winds over 60 miles per hour, even a threat of tornadoes. Meteorologist Alex Williams is here to prepare you, not scare you.
Yeah, absolutely. And we want to give you the knowledge so you can make the decisions that you need to make to keep you and your family safe as we go through the day tomorrow. There's Winston-Salem right now dealing with that gray overcast sky. There's Wendover. Again, it looks dark and threatening, but the ingredients are not quite here yet. We're going to see those, I think, move in towards the later evening hours, and that'll give us the better potential for maybe some stronger storms. Right now, it is raining at PTI, and there is Greensboro Skycam, 58 degrees. That's the dew point. That has definitely come up quite a bit in just the last, say, 12 hours or so. And so those dew points are going to continue to climb. Notice the easterly, southeasterly wind that we have. And so we're going to continue to keep this as we watch that warm front continue to creep further and further to the north. Look at Reidsville, 71 right now, 65 in Greensboro, 63 in Winston-Salem, 66 in Davidson County. So the next couple of hours, you will expect to see showers. I think we could see a few thunderstorms as well, and then maybe a little bit of a break in the activity. Temperatures tomorrow topping out in those mid-60s, even into the morning. And then I think it's the mid-morning that we're going to see the greatest potential for maybe some of these stronger storms coming through. So temperatures are staying in those lower to middle 60s. Notice the dip here as toward the late portions of the afternoon into the evening. So severe storms will be likely gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour. This is what we're seeing right now. Scattered showers continue to lift to the north, and that's all along a warm front that most likely is entering into kind of the southern tier of our area. We're kicking off some of those scattered showers around that. Reidsville getting a pretty good downpour right now across Rockingham County into, say, Stokes County. Surrey seeing a little bit of those returns, as well as Forsyth. Not a whole lot there in Guilford County, but over to Alamance County, I-40 could be seeing some of these scattered showers. This is what I'm going to be watching very closely. This stuff south of Charlotte, because notice how they're distinct, and this shape here, very supercellular. So most likely they may not be rotating very strongly, but they're weakly rotating, and that's why we've issued the weather impact alert day into the day tomorrow. That's going to encompass the morning and the afternoon. We're going to see 2 rounds of storms. You want to have at least 3 ways to receive warnings. So as we go through the evening, we'll have to watch these little isolated showers. They could be rotating as they come into a better environment, supporting some of those storms that could be on the twisting side. And then as we go into our morning hours tomorrow, scattered showers, thunderstorms. Notice here around 7 o'clock, each of these could be rotating and have the potential to produce damaging wind, as well as obviously if they're rotating, they could produce tornadoes. The greatest threat is going to be by far to the east, and then we're going to just keep these scattered showers kind of going as we go through the evening hours. So the threat today off to the west, we are under a marginal threat for, again, maybe an isolated strong storm or two, but the main threat is going to be tomorrow, where we are in an enhanced to a moderate risk. Even the eastern portions of our viewing area in this red color, that moderate risk, that means widespread strong severe storms. I think we'll see numerous strong severe storms through the day tomorrow. So isolated tonight, 6 o'clock to midnight, damaging wind and quick spin-ups. Into the day tomorrow, we actually are going to see 2 rounds, and your damaging winds could get to reasonable maximum intensities of 75 miles an hour. Tornadoes could be as strong as EF2s. So we're going to have to take this threat very seriously. After that, we cool down Tuesday into Wednesday, warming back up by spring arriving on Friday.